Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can translate a site through the Google Chrome app. But first I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. Open the Google Chrome, go to a site, and on the top right corner tap on these three little dots, then scroll down and here you will see translate. Tap on translate and here you can select the language. For example, next to the language tap on these three little dots and tap on more languages, and here you can select in what language would you like to translate it. We like to translate in English, for example. And that's pretty much for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing and see you in the next one.